know really that this test was done. It is pathetic that we can lose lives, yet the Ministry of Health is not doing enough on this. Again, you are saying, the minister, Mr. Speaker, sir, that a lorry was seen. We have all over this country, you have all the ability to track the lorry, to bring those concerned in the books, and up to now, you have not relocated the dumping site in Thika, Makongeni. I think you are being lazy in your work, and I want this House to pass that the next time we need to look at this analysis from the lab, and the minister must come with satisfying answer to this House. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.
The Honorable Kawanjiku.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I think I also wanted to echo what my colleague has said. And this go to the minister, because I mean, you cannot tell us that 2 people died because of eating contaminated flour. And at the same time, you are telling us there was nothing faulty with that flour because you did your own lab test that showed that there was no bacteria, there was nothing. So what killed those 2 young people, those two people? And so many were hospitalized on the same premise that they ate that unga. Number 3, Wazili. If a lorry was seen, dropping that unga, how come you are telling us that you have not been able to apprehend that company? Because you can also be able to read whether the unga, Mr. Speaker, it's packaged. So you can be able to identify and say this company is the one who went ahead to dump that kind of flour to a certain dump site. So I think the CS should do a thorough job on this question and also report to the House if possible.
Order, Honourable Member. You have done very well. And the last question you are belaboring is exactly what was asked by the Honourable Member for Kibra. So could we hear Honourable Gikaria as the last joyrider?